Madam and Sir. My name is Evelyn Sicahinod. I am 37 years old. I am married. I have one child, age 14. I am high school graduate. My father's name is Romeo Cahinod. My mother's name is Lucila Cahinod. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am 7 among siblings. My work experience as a domestic helper in Kuwait City for 3 years and 6 months. I served 4 family, 2 adults and 2 kids, ages 8 and 5 years old. Since November 4, 2021 until May 9, 2025. My duties and responsibilities there is cooking, cleaning, gardening, car washing, washing clothes, marketing, and take care of baby. And I am willing also how to learn newborn baby and elderly. And I am also willing how to learn Chinese food. Thank you.